Hello, so this is a quick video to show you how to book an appointment with us. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your account on the web page of the institute. Then you are going to click on Tutoring Center and now book an appointment. Here you just have to select the class that you want the tutoring in, this one for example, and then the provider. Now you have to click on the available date and time, whatever works best for you. And here you have to fill out this form with your name and your email address. All the other fields are optional. Then agree to the cancellation policy and click continue. Here you have to make sure that you have the right information and then click on book my appointment. Now you can see that you have successfully booked your appointment.